Fun with A&A. Before we begin, those who are new to our channel called Fun with A&A, let me introduce our channel. So we do logical stuff like science experiments. We don't only do science experiment. We tell the logic behind the science experiment. We tell the science behind the science experiment. I told it in 2 ways, guys. But today, we are going to do the science behind, I'll tell, surface tension. The things needed for today are only 5 things.
Milk.
Very good. Milk. Want to tell? Plates. A shallow one. This is not too shallow. If it's not, it's okay. Some food colors. We have 3 primary colors and yellow and Q-tips. Guys, let me ask Amara 2 questions. Okay, Amara, is that fine with you?
Yes.
Where does milk come from?
Cow moo.
You made the sound and told the right answer. Bravo, high five. Your second question that I know you will answer properly. My second question is, what is milk made of?
Protein, fats, and
Come on, you know.
I think I know that.
Tell it. If you can't, it's okay, I'll tell.
I think I forgot.
Okay, Amara, it's okay. Vitamins. At least you tried. And you did. You did too. And that's very good. I'm very proud of you. High five. I was right. It's made out of vitamins, fats, and proteins. Guys, but it's mostly made out of water molecules. Now let's go back to the surface tension and let me explain what that is. So when the water molecules come together and create a big force, and that's what creates a surface tension. And the surface tension is the skin above the milk. Guys, now let's move on to the detergent. Detergent is made out of detergent molecules. I know it sounds funny. Guys, we use detergents or soaps to wash our hands. Like examples, when it's greasy, oily, and when it's even dirty. You have to use the detergents to remove the germs. And that's how today we are going to do it with the food color. The detergent, just like germs, it will remove food color. Explode like that. Okay guys, now it's science experiment time. Now let's open the milk and put it. Make sure you don't have any water. There's no need for water in this experiment. Be careful, it should not touch the side. 1 or 2 drops is okay if it touches the sides, not more. Okay, that's enough. Okay, it's over. Now this is the best part. It's food color time.
First, can I put it?
Yeah, what color would you want?
Red.
Amara, these are very dark, so it will give you a stain. So I think I should put it. Already my hands are dirty, that's why. Your hands are clean.
So
You can put the yellow, okay?
yes. Okay. I think I want to put it.
Yeah, you can put the yellow. 1 minute. It's not coming out, Amara.
With one hand is not coming with me, but only with 2 hands is coming.
Try the blue. The blues are a little easier.
Okay. Okay, there.
Can you do it?
I think so. I can do it.
Let me hold it. It's better. Grip for you. Amazing. You can. No, Amara, don't Yeah, just like that. It's amazing. Like, you can do it faster, like.
But now can I put yellow for?
Yeah. You can, no, don't put yellow, you can put green. Because we are already done with yellow. Let's put a little more red. Yeah.
Just black, not yellow.
Green.
Green.
Just put it in the corners here. Look,
Okay.
I'll show you. Right here. Yeah, there. Be careful so it doesn't fall, Amara. Yeah, be careful. Yeah, good, good, good. Do it like that.
Should we put a little
Every
bit
corner.
What?
Whichever place is empty. Wherever there's no color.
Let's see.
Yeah, good. And now, let's put the
Here, but
Q-tips.
Q-tips. I don't want Q-tips. I kept the here, but.
Okay. Oh, this is a little. Amara, give me yours. I got a lot. So let me put some for you also. Yeah, this is perfect.
So we
Yeah.
can split it.
Yeah. You try. Oh! No, like don't do it in one specific place. Like do it in the middle. Look, guys. What's happening? Guys, look, the dish soap is making the food color run and making good patterns and making the food color dance.
It's all doing like a dance.
It's so good, guys.
And
I just love it.
the food color is dancing like a ballerina.
Yeah, ha, that's so funny. So guys, I hope you liked this video. And if you did, please like. And first, before we leave, I want to tell you something. Yeah, that's enough, Amara. I think it's enough. Yeah, you can put it there. Guys, happy Raksha Bandhan. Okay? Guys, and if you really like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Those who did, please do. And those who did, please, we appreciate you. Share our videos and tell everyone in your family to subscribe. Bye. Thank you. Let's go, Amara.
Bye.